Welcome to your quick guide on granting microphone access to Snapchat for crystal clear audio in your videos and calls. If your snaps have been mysteriously silent lately, don't worry. This walkthrough will have you recording sound in under a minute. Let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and unlock it. We're heading straight to your device's settings, that gear-shaped icon you use to customize everything. Once you're in, scroll down until you see Apps or App Management depending on your phone model. Tap that. Now, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Swipe through until you spot Snapchat. That yellow ghost icon is hard to miss. Give it a tap, and you'll land on the app's details page. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the permissions option. It's usually listed alongside storage, battery, and data usage settings. Tap it, and you'll see a list of what Snapchat can and can't access. If the microphone isn't already enabled, you'll find it under Not Allowed or a similar section. Go ahead and tap Microphone. You'll get a pop-up asking how you'd like to grant access. Select Allow Only while using the app for the best balance of functionality and privacy. This ensures Snapchat can hear you when you're snapping, but not when you're scrolling elsewhere. Once that's done, back out of Settings and open Snapchat. Test it by recording a quick video. Check for the microphone icon or sound waves to confirm it's working. If you hear your voice during playback, congratulations, you're all set. Still no audio? Double-check that your phone's physical volume buttons aren't muted, and make sure no Bluetooth headphones are accidentally connected. If issues persist, a quick app restart or phone reboot usually does the trick. And that's it. You've now unlocked the full potential of your Snapchat adventures. Whether you're sharing concert clips, sending voice notes, or hopping on a call, never miss a soundbite again. Thanks for following along, and happy snapping.